all the enemies of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are now bringing up different stories or different things in other way to make the Ndi Igbo to stop liking Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But the problem there is that the more they point at him, the more other four fingers point at them, and the more people love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu more. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. So if you have a family problem with the family of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, then you think that they are not doing something right to you, you go to court. If you win them, they leave whatever you people are dragging. It has nothing to do with dislike him or like him or bringing different things. If you watch this man called Vicar, he said he don't want to talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu again. Let him stop talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and see if you post something and have, let me say, 10 views on that thing. Never. So if they don't talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, their video is not going anywhere. And I also played the video of Ijele where he's calculating how Nnamdi Kanu spend IPOB money and how in family it's IPOB money. I don't know where he's getting that data, but we are going to play the video and we are going to hear what they are saying for everyone to know what is going on. A man in Sokoto prison is what all of them, all his enemies. This enemy we are talking about now is no longer the enemy outside, but this one is the enemy inside. All those ones they call Sabodaye, they are now coming out and bringing different things. Although this video was sent to me, but I don't know the reason why the person that sent this, is he sending it for me to judge Nnamdi Kanu or is he sending it for me to watch? But however, this is my answer. If somebody thinks that somebody do something wrong to you, if Nigeria is a place that the law is working, then go to court and get justice in the court. So this is the best way to go for it. And you can't judge with one person. You hear from the both sides before, even in the court of law. Even though you go to court, they must invite them to come and explain what happened. The judge cannot conclude based on you bring a report that hey, they have killed me, or this. No, this is not how judgment is run. So any motive of posting this video or bringing this video up, you know that it doesn't make any sense. It should be something that will serve in the community or in the court. Guys, let us watch the video before we come back and continue.
Igbo ndị mụrụ nze m ọzọ ekelekwa m ọnụ. Biko achọkara nke unu gere m ihe onyonyo a atụbatara m. Ihe ha ji wetụbatara m ha si biko na ha chọpụtara na ndị mmadụ na-ege ihe m na-ekwu na nke ha kwuru na enwere ike ha agaghị anụ ya. Na Vicar biko were vidio nyere m ndị family Nnamdi Kanu na ụmụnne ya, na ha biko mere ha ebere, na ha biko hapụ na ha aka ka ha biri. Ana m eme vidio ka m ji wee kọtọ onye ọbụla, mana ana m eme vidio mmadụ dịka Nonso Nkwa na ndị niile si ha human rights activists. Ka ihe unu ga-eme, ọ bụrụ unu gecha vidio unu eme ihe unu kwesịrị ime. Nonso Nkwa ịwụ nchekwa ndị ogbenye, lekwa onye ogbenye a ga-echekwa now. Ana achọ m ka ichekwa onye a. Gaa video.
Igbo ekele m unu. Onye wetara ọjị wetara ndụ. Ọtụtụ ọma nụọ. Ọ because of ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị bụ isi ama afara. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ eji ha eji, onwe onye na-ekwu okwu, isi ka ikwu okwu, asị ka were IPOB gbuo gị. Ha hapụ anyị ka anyị kwuo okwu. Nwanne Nnamdi Kanu a na-akpọ Emmanuel Kanu na nwanne ya nwoke ha sị na ha ga-eme ka na ha ga-egbu m, na m na-aga ikwu ọtụtụ ihe mbụ ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị. Why m ji ekwu ihe a? Nke mba abụrụ gịnị? You heard when Nnamdi Kanu made an announcement and said that the land opposite Golden Gate is ancestral land, that he himself don't have time for all this kind of rubbish. But look at what is happening in my village now. Nobody is ready to talk. If I talk, they say they will kill me. No problem. I've already started talking. 1978, the father of Nnamdi Kanu sold the land. His own land, 1978, to one Mr. Obinna Ukeka, who was the staff of CBN Bank. Caleb, one Mr. Caleb, who was the staff. in CBN in 1978. Look at the documents. 1978. What is happening in my community? And they are using Ipob to terrorize my community. They now change it and say that Afra is terrorizing the community. Who am I to terrorize the whole community? Because I'm saying the truth. Nnamdi Kanu Mebrono, Sula blacks are more wicked than they are wicked. Himself is the most wicked person I've ever met in my life. Look at his father's signature. As far back as 1978. Look at 1978. How many years now? Look at the signature of Nnamdi Kanu's father. Look at the signature of Nnamdi Kanu's father. Nnamdi Kanu signed. The mother signed. Look at the signature of Nnamdi Kanu. Look at the signature of Nnamdi Kanu. Look at the signature of Nnamdi Kanu when he was a student. The mother signed. Himself signed. If they want to buy the land back, is it not to go and see the son of the man? The only son of the man have. Obina. But as of today, they are building 2-story building in that land now. As I speak to you, Hana no 2-story building. Ana atoga do binna keboya. Ana atoga do binna obela la keboya. Nde village anya wala hamage. Hana ho the boy hele bakwa. The boy is crying every day in my community. Nobody want to talk. Nobody want to assist that boy. They are using IPOB. See the boy. Can you see the boy? Tell them what you are passing through.
Okay.
In my community.
I am Obina Ukeka, the son of Chima Ukeka of Central Bank Akure.
God forbid.
I am from Nkpa, the local government of Bende. I have a land, or my father bought a land in from Kanu, that's Nnamdi Kanu's father, in 1978. And now, a fine boy, that is Nnamdi Kanu's brother, and his member, the IOB, are trying to, or they have taken the land from me. They have they're trying to build a house on the land, and now I don't have any access to the land. 4 years ago, I reported the case to Zone 9, and which the police warned them and told them to leave the land for me. Now they have continued and started building on the land. Please, I am a Biafran too. My father fought for Biafra. Please help me. Is it how a Biafran should treat a Biafran? Please help me.
Yes, you can see it. I will continue to tell you what is happening in my community. If they like, let them come and kill me. Any person who is listening to that idiot, Emma Powerful, on Facebook, is Nnamdi brother, younger brother, Emma Powerful. It's nothing like Secretary IPOB giving us false information all over Nigeria. Leave this young man to make use of his property. Why are you so wicked? You open up your mouth and say that blacks are wicked. You and your family are more than wicked. More are coming. Other lands. Your father sees and your own you sees too. Thank you.
Eji m aka na unu gere ihe onyonyo a dịka ụfọdụ ga-eme ị ga-ahụkwa ndị ga-abịakwata na-akpụ iyi n'ihi na onye azụkwasara ihe ya ụkwụ ala ya egoro papa Nnamdi ha zụkwasara ụkwụ. The family, it's not as if they are not ready to sell back to you. Chineke agọziela unu enwetala ego agbanyụ otu ụgbọelu si nweta ya, unu enwere ego na-arụtụ deki n'ala unu zụrụ mmadụ. Why not just pay back the money? Ihe ọbụla a gwara unu ewere da ala ebe ala dị mkpa. Mmadụ na-eji ala ya mere ihe mgbe ị nwetaziri ego, even in a regret, you buy back the land. No wonder ụmụaka ndị asa ha na-eme nwere onwe n'ọsụ. Enwere one young man were ala ya resi somebody, o resichara ala, ihe o mere ga join the ESN, chụpụga the family, recover the land, na-use the land, ego family origoro ụgwọ. And many people wetara ala ha from our side. This is what they are doing. Mgbe ala ha rere, mgbe ha ji egbe mkpa, come to intimidate you, I join the ESN. They still use the land, they farm on the land, they do everything on the land. You know them. So I'm not back hash one muta ya haneme. Igana mbitoli na ada hepi bala. Ndi sa na zonworo onwe. Enwetebe nworo onwa una bila war chief judge, war chief lawyer. Na hepi be. I don't know na get get free of charge. Before give ere bala na ebo wala ndi abaga onwa ụmụ ọma. You have to pay 2 million, 1 million. And you have pay, they don't care onye nwe ala, oh no, but actually inye dala here. And you give me mistake simba onwugi. Oh, to akụ kwesịrị dị. Emasị Jovika na-ekwukarị. Emu no so hapụ ya. But akwa ha macha nkịtị. Onye ọgbachiri nkịtị ihe ọjọọ na-eme, onye ahụ o so ya. Ọ kakwa mana m kwuwere. Ihe na-eme ya mee. Onye Chineke nọnyere onwe ihe ga-eme. Biko, n'ọsọ nkwa na ndị niile hụrụ n'anya. This man is crying for justice. Ihe a ga-eme na awụ, unu aga mee investigation. Gaa jụọ police, unu hụrụ evidence. Jụọ police, o wee nzokwu na ikpe ikpe ala si hapụ ndị ahapụ. I confirm from police. Ndị a ga-atọ togide police. Ha ga-atọ asị togide document papa ha signed. Go investigate. Ọ wụ bịa kpọọ the family ọ wụ sị ga-egbuo ha for speaking out. Ekwuchala m o. Mkpụrụ ọbụla onye ọbụla kụrụ n'ụwa ọ ga-aghọ ya. Ihe sọpọtụrụ megide onye ọzọ ọ ga-eru gị aka one way or the other. Ma oru gị ọ ga-eru ụmụ gị, eru nwa gị, whether you like it or not. Biko nụ, ka ha wepụ n'aka n'ihe ọjọọ. Ọ ihe m na-ajọ debe onwe onye ọzọ m na-ekwu. Ka ha wepụ n'aka n'ihe ọjọọ. Ka ala Igbo tọọ anyị ụtọ. We want to come back to ala Igbo and live. Thank you.
It's a weird, I don't hear how that the Kanu and the family take chop their money and now they take transfer. Yeah, I laugh on you. And the Mu people, they don't carry themselves go court for Germany. Yeah? They don't carry themselves go court for Germany. Make I read some of them for very hungry people, Ndoshi. Now because of hunger, they scatter an Igbo. Because of hunger, now they scatter the Igbo. Because they wanted to make money. A woman will read. And then maybe the person who owed the money, now their relative or as soon as no, why don't they tell on us since? This one now from 2022, oh no, 21st of February 2022. And then I send 472 euro. That one okay. Now Kanu they send them hungry man. 472 euro. Now they send to them. On the 1st of March 2022, they send them 3,000 euro to Kanu. Then 15th of March 2022, 2,500 euros. On the 4th of April 2022, 3,000 euros to counter. You see, this one they put them under salary. Salary. All I want you. Yeah. Which one again? On the 2nd of May 2022, another 3,000 euros to counter. Okay. On the 23rd of May 2022, the same month, 2,500 euros. 1st of June 2022, they send them under 3,000 euros. On 3rd of June, same 2022, 5,870 euros. 21st of June, 2,000 euros. On this, then they also said there was a man Nnamdi Kanu sent 3,000, but no date was mentioned. Okay. 1st of July 2022, another 3K to Kanu. 7th of July, 5,000 euros to Kanu. 25th of July, 2,000. You know, like all these people, Israel local families, Oshi. Yeah. Many, I go post the whole thing with this video. Man, I use on eye, see, Oshi.
My people, in this life, nobody is perfect 100%. But where all these things coming from is the angle of hate. This is what I see here. So when I say my own, I say it raw the way it is. If you like, go and hug transformer. But what I'm saying is this is coming from angle of hate. All these things that is happening when they look of something they bring. Now, remember the video we have been watching since is the lady talking have dated Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You see he's not fighting and the pull out. Nobody hear from Mazi Nnamdi, but I love what people are replying both in the write-up, both in the video as well, because people are beginning to wise. You cannot deceive people anymore in social media. So people are beginning to wise that even Solomon in the Bible married so many women and they listed him in the Bible. So they're even telling Nnamdi Kanu to marry as many as he want. I deserve it. You see, so people are no longer listening to this so many nonsense that bringing up. There's some issue that should be a family issue and it should settled in Umunna. If it is settled in Umunna, then with the document you have as a proof, that should be settled in the court. If the Nigeria judiciary is working, that should be settled in the court. And the court will say, okay, if you want this land, now do so thing, take the land or give this young man the land. It is not what to be bring out to tell. Look at the person they are saying, is Nnamdi Kanu, the person that's fighting for Biafra, is all this thing is nonsense. It doesn't make any sense. So guys, share this video and drop your own opinion in comment section.